insights on boosting sales with digital marketing in stationery and gifting. Join us as we explore the topic digital marketing for gifting and stationery business, leveraging social media, SEO, and e commerce to grow sales. Please give a warm round of applause and let's welcome Mr. Vinay Singh Mendirata, AI Mindset Mentor of Bingo Creations Private Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Vinay? Now he will be presenting his insights on this session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much for your kind introduction. And since we have so many people over here, and I would like to have this session interactive, can you move a little forward? Can you move a little forward so that we can actually have a bit more interactive session? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for actually taking that step. Great. So little poll about yourself. Are you in a gifting, are you in a customized gifting space? Are you in a corporate gifting space? Who is all there in a personal gifting space? Who's there in a corporate gifting kind of a space? You're in a corporate gifting kind of a space. Great. And anybody in a customized gifting, kind of a space? Great. Thank you so much. So as I start my presentation, I would like to actually share my vision, mission with this statement from Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. He said, Jin prem kiyo, tin hi prabh payo. And my mission over here is to actually make all of you fall in love with AI, social media, digital marketing, so that you can use that to start, grow, and scale your business to the level that you have dreamt of, doing that. And before I do that, a little story about me, in terms of how I discovered that this is the right thing for me to do. So this is actually the photos of my father's retirement. This is the gentleman. I think. Okay, that's my father. That's my mother, and that little boy that you see over there, right in the end, that's me. That was me when I was 16 years of age. The backstory really is that my father was retired from railways from a place called Doiwala, which is just 20 kilometers before Dehradun, a place where there were no schools after 10th. And luckily, my father retired when I was in the 10th class. It was all in the Hindi medium, so we had to actually shift to Delhi. And the big challenge which was there in front of me was really that I had to actually switch from a Hindi medium to an English medium. And that was a big challenge for myself. In 11th class, I barely passed. But in order to actually change the financial situation of my family, the only option that was there for me was to really actually excel in the education so that I can achieve the dreams for my family. So in 12th class, not to boast myself, but just to actually present this over here, that is possible for anybody, I topped the school, right? And that gave me, big hope because, then I went on to do, my MBA from Symbiosis. I went on to work with companies like Yahoo, Vodafone, big companies that, most of people actually just dream of. And then I actually thought that if you really choose to become what you want to become, you can become anyone. And from that, my why came into picture. And just to share a little, another, quick story. Last time when I had come over here, in the Gift Expo, I attended a conference over here as a visitor like you. And at that time, I had thought that next time I will come and I will be a presenter over here. So what you think is definitely, is achievable. It's just that you have to think about it. Right? So my why came from, the thing that I could choose to become what I wanted to become. And my why is really nobody is born to lose. Everyone can choose to be more, grow, create impact, and uplift others. And I have a 5-step journey over here in which you can actually start from wherever you are today to becoming a leader in the gifting industry. And that's the journey that I will actually just share with you. This is going to be an interactive session. So kindly participate along with me. When you participate, you will actually discover what is really possible for you. And I promise you, by the end of this session, what you will gain is a gift that you cannot buy. Nobody can give you that gift, but you can choose to get that gift, because the superpowers that you will actually be able to expose to, with which you can actually get that gift. I will reveal that gift right in the end. So this is the 5-step journey which is there. Wherever you are, the first and foremost thing is starting with clarity. And I will elaborate on each of these points. Then we build your digital presence, your digital empire, your online presence using the artificial intelligence. Then we utilize the power of social media, and you will see some examples of brilliant work that is happening on social media, which will get you the attention and the customers that you are looking for. Then, you would have heard about, something called the generative AI. But what we are already, living in is a world called agentic AI. Whatever you are actually doing manually today, you can actually have AI agents that can do the job for you. And I will give you a demo of that within this, 50-minute session that we have. And finally, you lead with the ecosystems. So starting with first step, which is the clarity. Okay, so what is really actually clarity? Before you really actually go out and do anything in the market, you look within, that what is it that you really want to do? What is the impact that you are meant to create? In my case, I started an e-commerce business in 2016 after working with companies like Vodafone, Yahoo, and so on and so forth. Many, big MNC, Sony Ericsson. But was that something that I really wanted to do? I actually discovered later on that this is what that I'm actually doing today is what I really wanted to do. So starting with clarity, going inside before you really go out. And what is the starting with clarity looking like? All of you who are in the gifting space, you're not just selling a product. You are delivering emotions. You are delivering hope. You're building relationships. That's the work that you're doing. And when you work with clarity, clarity helps you package that emotion with purpose. Why clarity is important? It's a very, very crowded marketplace. There are so many exhibitors over here. There are so many visitors over here. There are so many sellers. It's easy to get into this space. But in a crowded market, generic gifting gets ignored. And clarity helps you stand out by making every gift, every reel, and every post reflect a deeper meaning. It aligns your brand with the emotions your customers care about, which is love, gratitude, celebration, connection. Those are the reasons why people actually gift things to each other, right? Now, what clarity really actually includes? So it includes your why, which is your gifting philosophy. What does your brand really gift? Do you gift joy? Do you give memories? Do you give identity? For example, one of the statement, from some of you could be, we help people express what words can't say. Then you define your who, which is your ideal customers. Are you actually running a business for brides, corporate HRs, new moms, or spiritual seekers? You understand their lifestyle, occasions, and values. Then it helps to define your what, which is basically your social media message. What core message will your content repeat across reels and posts? For example, celebrate people, not just occasions. Use emotional hooks, friendly formats, but anchored in your own voice. And we will see example of the kind of content that you will be able to create with clarity being there with you. And then your brand vision and values, which is what your vibe should be there on the Instagram feed. Minimalistic elegance, playful celebration, or sacred emotion. You define the color, tones, voice, and posting style. Everything is basically covered as part of the clarity. Now, once you have clarity of who your customers is and what your messaging is, then you are clear on who you serve and what emotions you trigger. Targeting on Meta, using any of the ad platforms will become much and more, that much more simpler. Your content will naturally speak to your tribe. Your targeting becomes focused and your followers become your customers. And the outcome of this, clarity will be you'll walk out of this stage with a clear content direction, a target audience persona, and a brand message that feels like home, both to you and your customers. Now, before we move to the next step, a little poll time over here. Based on what you see over here, there are two options over here. Which of the message over here looks from a person who has the clarity, and which is not a person, message coming from the person who's clarity? If I were to take a poll from you, how many of you think that the left hand side, the bulk employee gifts available, that's more clear, or this is more clear? So you said, who's on the left hand side? So left hand side message is more clear according to you. And what about right hand side? Right. You're absolutely right. That's, really, most of the people over here, all of you are, saying that is the right hand side. This is very, very connecting with the purpose. You are there in the corporate gifting, sir, you can actually create messages like this. Now, once we have the clarity, who are our customers are, who are, what's the message that we should have, then we actually build with AI. And again, a little, backstory over here. So what do you see over here? What's that you see over there? So it's a pen drive. Okay, maybe the visual is not appearing, it's larger than life and therefore not coming out clearly. Can you guess what's there in that pen drive and what's the value that I actually invested in that pen drive? That pen drive had my first website on which I invested more than 10 lakh rupees from my personal savings and almost 2 years. And finally, it did not work. I hired the best of the, I chose the best of the software. I chose the best of the designers, but they still could not optimize my website for the speed. Have you faced anything like this, any failure like this personally? You have. Now, that led me to where I am today. After, almost 2 years, I had actually copied all the files in that pen drive and just kept it over there. And then I learned how to create my own website. And that is the, thing that, I am now basically helping people with, because when you actually lose 10 lakh in almost 2 years in your first ever venture, after working with, such big organization, it's a big, big, big setback. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji says in Japji Sahib, if you follow that, he says, Ketiyan dukh phuk sadmar ehbe daat teri datar. And the meaning of that is, if you are getting any dukh, any parishani, that's a gift for you. And I took that as a gift. And I learned to do the things on my own. And we have among us one person who has actually learned from me what I learned. And he has actually developed 2 of his websites completely on himself. So a lot of things, lot of heartburn went to it, lot of trial and error went into it. But now, there are things that, anybody can actually just pick up and create things right from the scratch. Now, this is another, short story over here. When I started my business in 2016, after working with, such big organizations, I had the privilege of working with some of the best minds in the industry, right? How many of you, is there anybody over here who has been with companies and then started your own business? Right? So I had the privilege of working with best of the advertising agency, with Vodafone. We had Ogilvy as our agency, if you remember, that cute little character, Zuzu, right? Then I had the privilege of working with best of the engineers in the world. And when you start your business after working with such big organizations, if you have chosen to bootstrap, you cannot afford to hire those kind of minds. And therefore, I felt completely alone. But when AI came into picture, I discovered that I got that superpower back. And that's a superpower that's available to all of you, any one of you, right? And then I realized that how do I really actually make this very, very simple? for people to really understand that AI is for you. And then I decoded that. So when I was working with, big companies, I was there in the marketing, business development, product management, those kind of roles, primarily marketing role, where I was working with primarily two functions, which is basically the marketing, right? Marketing communication, either directly with the agencies or through a brand marketing team. And the other ones were the engineer, because, the companies that I worked with were all technology companies, right? And then I realized that, all that I had done as part of almost 18 years of my career is very clearly say that this is what I want, and challenge the people enough, and they would come back and deliver whatever that I really wanted to do that. And that is how I actually really decoded that even AI is capable of doing that. It has the power of all the human intelligence that's actually already documented, and that power is available for anybody to really tap into, right? And that's the power that you can actually experience in some time. So what is build with AI looking like? So you don't just work hard, work smart, fast, and emotionally connected with AI, right? How many of you are using ChatGPT? I think all of you would be using that, right? Are you also, have you also started working with AI agents so far? Not yet? You have, okay. So you'll experience, one of the AI agents today, right? Now, one of the challenge that was there with AI was that, it gave very good response, but it did not sound like me, right? It amplified a different version of me. And therefore, what we do right in the beginning is give what I call as a digital sanskar. Have you heard about the term called Garab Sanskar, right? Where even before a child is born, you actually subliminally pass on the sanskars to the unborn child, and when child is born, the child is born with those sanskars. Similarly, when we start working with artificial intelligence, we give digital sanskars to artificial intelligence, and there is a process that is there. So that's why you work smart, fast, and emotionally connected with AI that sounds like you. Why it is important? You have the creativity and heart. We saw some excellent pictures over here, and I'm sure you have some excellent things that you are also working on. AI helps you to express it faster, louder, and more consistently across platforms. And the result is more time to create joy, less time stuck creating content. What is included in the stage? First of all, these are two sites. This is a B2B site, and the gentleman who has created is Mr. Manmeet Singh. He's right here, and this is his B2C site, all done by him. Did you have any technical background before starting this? No, right? He was in a sales kind of job, but he did not have technical background. But he could actually do it himself, and those are the things that you can also do it if you need to. So what this stage includes, these are some of the things, but not comprehensive enough. Website content and blog posts, right? Homepage, about us, and regular blog posts for SEO. Position your brand as thought leader. Lead magnet creation, for example, free downloadable guides like 10 heartfelt gift ideas for new moms, or the art of emotional gifting, which helps you build email list automatically. There you can generate content. You can, create content for reels and video script. You can even generate product listings and descriptions. Now, what is the advantage, when it comes to digital marketing or social media? With AI, you can create binge-worthy content. You can keep your feed consistent. You can attract and nurture leads. You can personalize messages at scale. So you can focus on creating magic through your gifting. The outcome? A content engine that never runs dry, a lead magnet and funnel ready to go, a marketplace listing that sells, a website that speaks your story, and in short, you will stop doing repetitive work manually and start running your gifting brand like a smart, scalable, emotional driven business with AI as your creative and strategic partner. Okay, I have some AI, some videos over here, and it's a quiz time over here. Some of these videos are created using AI. Some of them are real. So I would like you to actually just say which one do you think is AI generated, which one is real. Is rushing. but I didn't know where there was a phase where every day felt like a race. Wake up, chase goals, answer messages, hustle, repeat. I told myself it was ambition, but inside I felt like I was constantly falling behind. Even on my best days, I was restless. Until one afternoon, I was. That's it. So, do you think this is real me or AI me? AI, both video and voice. Video is mine, okay, and voice is AI. Okay, great. Play the second one. One day, people will speak of the life you lived, not about what you owed, not about your titles, but about the impact you made, the lives you touched, and the difference you create. Okay, so what about this? Video is AI and audio? Audio is me. Audio is not me. Okay, I'll reveal it in the end. Play the third one now. One day, people will speak of the life you lived, not about what you owed, not about your titles, but about the impact you made, the lives you touched, and the difference you created. Okay, now the third one, video is also AI, voiceover is also AI. Okay, now I'll reveal the results. What is the thing? The first one, video is AI, voice is also AI. Second one, video is AI and voice is my own. And the third one, both video and myself, that's me. Okay, so that's basically, so very difficult to really make out the difference between what is real and AI. And this is only going to become better, right? Now, move to the, yeah, play this video also. Just a second. So this is basically you know, an ultimate example of the things that you can create utilizing AI. We are not just right. Everything over here is AI. We are creators. We are a league of impact creators, bound by purpose and guided by values. We are undergoing a transformation, not just in skill sets, but also in the mindsets. We are evolving, adapting, and unlocking the power within us to shape a future where technology, wisdom, and purpose unite. But this transformation is not just about what we learn, it's about how we live. It's about the values that define us. First is love unconditionally, because true impact starts with a heart full of compassion. Then, live truthfully, because authenticity is the foundation of real change. Then, serve selflessly, because success is not just about what we achieve, but what we give. Then, it's always keep learning and growing, because progress is the only way forward. Then, it's empower others to be more, because when we rise, we lift others with us. Then, it's practice gratitude and contentment, because abundance begins with appreciation. And finally, contribute generously, because giving back multiplies the impact. This is who we are. This is what we stand for. This is our mission. Now, these are some of the people who are learning this.
The awakening. Nobody is born to lose the fires inside. On a spark of wisdom, a guiding light. With courage and passion, we rise today, breaking the limits, forging our way. The doubt fades away, we choose to grow, strengthen our heart, let the power flow. Love AI in our hands, wisdom in our soul. Impact creators, we rise as whole. Oh, the anthem of power. We are the change makers, the voices of tomorrow. Guide is the sorrow. Stand for impact creators. From struggle to strength, we light the way. With AI and heart, we never stray. Not just machines, but minds that engage. Sack with the soul, leading with lies. We love unconditionally, we serve with grace, and light truthfully lifting every space. Growth is our promise, we rise, we lead. The wave of change fulfilling the need. The anthem of power, we are the change makers, the voices of tomorrow. Guided the breaking sorrow. So dream it, build it, rise it, stand tall. Impact creators, one and for all. We are the change makers, the voices of tomorrow. Guided by wisdom, breaking through sorrow. So dream it, build it, rise and stand tall. Impact creators, one and for Lover door stands open. The choice is yours. Step into greatness. Open new doors. Together we build. Together we soar. Be more, create more for them.
This is not. Okay, so this is an example of everything except my voice, everything was AI generated. Right from the storyline to the images, then videos, even the song. What I used to think was the privilege of big organizations only is now available in your hand. And it all takes is just a conversation. Right? I would like to give a demo and I would like to have a volunteer over here just present from this now. Okay, anybody who wants to make, it makes the blog posts? You do.
Yes.
So, can I have the mic for the lady, please?
Well, in a way,
Here.
the future with technology and
Hi,
Hi. What's your name?
my name is Nidhi.
Nidhi.
Yeah.
Just project from here. Project from here. Project from here. हाँ इस पे switch कर दो because I will be using internet for that. Right. Thank you. So you will actually see a demo, right, of a very powerful blog post series that you can actually create by just defining what you do. Right? Would you like to see that?
Yeah.
And what I will do, I will open ChatGPT over here. Now, this is a well-trained prompt which is there, right? About 2 pages long. And I will copy everything. Sorry, I'm doing it without the mouse, so it's a little bit of a thing for me. Okay, so I have just copied and pasted the prompt. You have to answer one question, right? And that question is, please share the main area of your work. So what do you do, ma'am?
I'm Group Head Corporate Communications.
You are a
Group Head Corporate Communications.
group head corporate communication. Okay, so who's your audience?
I'm working for a healthcare segment.
Okay.
So my audience are mostly B2C.
B2C. And if you were to actually create some content around a specific topic,
Of course, for the health segment, there are a lot of topics all revolve in various diseases.
so just give me one example of one broad niche or one big topic.
If you talk about niche, maybe we can talk about breast cancer. Or if you want to have a generic one, though the cancer could be a one, female cancer.
Okay, so female cancer, right? Can I just say that?
Yeah,
Okay, now just see the magic of
but it will give you a lot of cancers now. Breast cancer would have been more apt.
that's okay. You know what basically this is doing is let me actually pull my mouse so that it's easy. It has given you now 5 subtopics,
Yes.
right? Just rotate this and give me one subtopic for which you would like to create the content.
Let's take the first one, breast cancer. That's more common and prevalent.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for sharing that, right? So it has given you from the female cancer, it has given you 5 subtopics on which you can create content.
Absolutely.
Now it'll give you 20 topics related to the first topic for which you can create the content.
Yeah.
And it'll also give you guidance in terms of how to create content so that Google ranks it well on Google search this thing. And Google is basically one example. It could be for any search engine. Let me just actually know. Now just read this.
So
And-
now they are informational blogs. I'm sorry if I'm interrupting.
Yeah.
But I would like to have transactional keywords also included into it.
Fantastic.
That will give me a. Yeah.
16 to 20.
Yes. That will be
Yeah.
my.
Just go through this.
Yeah.
Right? So you wanted the informational as well as the transactional. You
Correct.
got both,
Yeah.
right? And it has given you in the ratio in which you should create content. And it's basically, about 80% should be the informational content so that you build your authority, and only 20% should be transactional content,
Correct.
right?
That will land me on the right landing pages and the right keywords for the section.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
For example, now you take like any of these, topics over here.
Mm.
I did not take much details. If I had taken more details from you,
Yes.
it would have tailored,
Yeah.
more related to
How
yours.
many words? What is the keyword to be stuffed? How much is the ratio? Everything if you put in, so it will
Yeah.
give exactly the way. Yes.
So just like that, by just telling this thing that what do you do, it has given you everything. And when I go further, let's say I say 16, it'll give me the structure for the blog number 16, right? Which is
Right.
affiliate post number 16. It could be affiliate post or it could be about your own products,
Yes.
right? Everything is here, right? It also gives you guidance in terms of how to go about really creating the content for this. Great. Thank you so much.
I would like to just share one thing. Now, AI has conceptualized and actually consolidated everything. I started as a content person at
Yeah.
one point in my time,
Yes.
and I was just writing in flavors because I know how
were writing?
literature. I was writing in flavors.
Flavors.
Yeah, because it is English literature.
Right.
You work more on expressions.
Right.
For a essay, it will be a different article, will be different, blog post will be different, website will be different. So
Absolutely.
these are all flavors for one same subject.
Right.
For that, we used to research for days, for hours, for all these things to actually we understand, and then we finalize tone with maybe the team, the management, or the actual clients.
Yes.
Now, in 5 minutes, you get all of it.
Yes.
You don't have to stress your eyes, brain, or any of it for.
But you don't leave it like that. You don't
Yeah.
actually just copy and paste the content over there. You use deep research, you use Perplexity AI to do the deep research for you,
Yes.
right? Then you go through, validate, the things on your own, right? And then rewrite content,
Yeah.
again using AI in the tone and voice. You give different avatars to AI.
Yes, and that is AI humanized kind of a flavor that we actually bring to the subject.
And even when you actually, even before posting,
Yeah.
you make sure that your heart is basically, giving gawahi that this is the content that I should post.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you so much for, this. We have some more demos coming over here. So that was build with AI, right? Next is grow with social, right? And we'll see some amazing things that you can actually do to basically, take whatever you're doing to your customers in a very, very impactful manner. right? So growing with social is basically ready for a big impact because visibility is the new credibility. Social media is your stage, right? But how do you do that? It's something that we will come to that. We'll take some example. Your gifting brand carries emotions, but unless people see and feel that online, you are invisible, right? Even if you have great offline presence, but if you're not visible, if your business is not visible online, you are definitely not visible. Social media turns your stories, reviews, and reels into a magnet that attracts, engages, and converts. No more random posting. You start building community, trust, and momentum one post at a time, right? And we'll see how. So, what this includes: short form video strategy, Instagram grid, and story planning, right? Create content that sparks nostalgia, surprise from unboxing to behind the scenes, and we'll see a demo of that, right? Instagram grid and story planning, right? Story ideas, real gift stories, content buckets, and weekly themes. Educate how to choose the right gift. Celebrate customer testimonials, festivals, and birthdays. Behind the scenes packaging, team moments, thought behind designs, comment, prompts, polls, DMs, giveaways. Build real conversations, not just vanity metrics. So, what this includes is more reach, more recall, more repeat buyers, more heartfelt messages saying this was perfect, right? All of us would like to hear that from our customers, right? You're not just growing a brand, you're becoming part of people's celebrations. And this is a powerful statement. Your brand becomes a bookmark in people's life. When they need to gift, they think of you. And that is what you can actually do by following this step in the right manner. Now, kindly project again from there because I would like you to play the video. Excuse me. Project from there this slide because there is a video to be played there. Okay. Just the slide, just the video.
Don't make this mistake when you're working on your own happiness. Imagine this is you and this is your life. But like most people's lives, there are problems that can make it toxic. If a fish is living in a toxic environment, eventually it gets sick. So you take her out of the dirty water and put her in a new tank for a while. Kind of like how you take a break, you go on a holiday for a few weeks into a new environment, and it helps. Everything gets better and feels great for a while until you return and go right back to that toxic situation again. And it doesn't matter how clean the water was on your break or how refreshed you feel. Eventually, you will get sick again. If you want to thrive in the long term, you have to focus on cleaning up the environment that is affecting you every day. I'm a psychologist. Follow for more.
Has anybody seen this video before? You have, right? Is it the kind of video that probably all of us are creating regularly? It's very different from the videos that we are actually. But these are the kind of videos. So, what is making this video really actually? Can you guess how many million views this video has got? Just on Instagram? Any number? Any guesses, sir? Any guesses? 10 million. Very close to 10 million. And only on Instagram. This video has got 8 million views. And this is not a topic which is as exciting as gifting, right? On TikTok, on YouTube, overall combined, this video has reached more than 20 million people. And how much is that in crores? 2 crore people have seen this video, right? And what is making that video go and get so many views? Here is the science behind it. So first of all, it has high visual curiosity, right? It's not just another video that we normally see. She has used a fish tank. She has a clever active metaphor. She is using that fish tank. She is using that fish tank throughout the video in a very interesting manner. There is, never a moment that you are not engaged on this video because you want to see what happens next. Is that a fish that she's actually treating not in a right manner? What will happen to that fish? What is the story coming next, right? These are things that keep on going on your mind when you're watching the video, right? There is a verbal and visual tension which is there in the video. There is a perspective shift, when she says that, no matter whether you go out, but you have to, get your environment clean. That's what you have to, do. And then there is, this video is, just appealing to everybody, right? Even if you're not from that domain of psychology, you still want to know what happens, right? So that's basically, the science behind this. Would you like to actually see how you can create a video like this? Anybody, would you like to, volunteer? Yeah. So I'll tell you how you can create a video like this. So can you just pass on the mic? May I know your name, ma'am? Yashvi. Project from here again, please. Excuse me. Project from here again. Yeah. Yashvi, right?
Yeah.
So Yashvi, would you like to create? So what do you do, Yashvi?
I have my jewelry business. I'm jewelry business owner.
You are a UV business owner.
Jewelry. Artificial
Artificial jewelry business owner. Okay, fantastic. Let's see how you can actually create a video like that for the artificial jewelry, utilizing all the best things that that video has. Okay, I'll go to again our friend ChatGPT. In this case, what I have actually done, I have created an agent on AI on ChatGPT, and therefore I'm not going to need that big prompt that I had entered. So all that I will say is let's go. Yashvi, would you like to come forward over here?
Sure, why not?
Right now, what this is basically asking for is you have to tell what you do. Right? Can you tell it what you do?
Yeah, definitely.
Include as far as possible, your customers, who are your customers. The best way to actually communicate to someone that this is what I do, you can say something like this, that I help X with Y so that they can get Z. For example, women with choice of artificial jewelry so that they feel beautiful inside, something like that, right? So just, tell what you do over here.
I help women wear some beautiful jewelry and affordable too. So that
Where I help women with affordable
and beautiful, good quality jewelry.
affordable and beautiful,
Good quality jewelry,
good quality jewelry,
which help them to shine every day.
which helps them to shine
Every day.
every day.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will just enter this, and what this will do now, it is trained to basically give you 11 hooks like that, right? Give you object that you can use and how you can shoot that video, right? Would you like to know how to do that?
Definitely.
Now these are 11 hooks that it has given. It has ranked them, right? Just read them. The first hook is
You don't,
don't-
need to wait for a special occasion to shine.
visual
Visual-
metaphor is
Yeah.
dusting of a hidden tiara.
Prop old toy crown or dusty box, and how to start. Start with the crown buried in a box. Dust it off as you talk. Place it on confidently by the end.
Okay, do you like this or do you want to see two more
No.
options?
Yeah, few more options. Second, she wore jewelry like armor. Beautiful but strong. Jewelry as shield, necklace layered over a hoodie. Transform look. Show transition from plain to styled look with one accessory like donning armor.
You want to go for this? Or do you want to see more?
First one was better, but we can go for a little, we go down. Fifth one might be, let's see which is the fifth one.
Fifth one.
First is good.
First is good?
Yeah.
Now what I will do, I will simply reply with one.
Yeah.
And would you like to actually also enact and sort of record a reel over here itself? We are not recording it, but can you actually express and do it yourself? So for example, how to actually do that? So it has given everything over here. So opening scene is you stand in a soft lighting, opening a dusty box. Inside a slightly crooked toy crown or tiara, you hesitate, look at it, then gently lift it out, right? And then you say,
We keep waiting for the big moment, the fancy dinner, the wedding, the promotion, to feel like we can shine.
But what if the sparkle isn't waiting for an event? It's waiting for you. We treat beauty like it has a schedule. Like joy has to be on, like confidence only gets invited to certain parties. But every time you choose to put on something that makes you beautiful, you are not dressing up. You are waking up to your own light. Jewelry isn't the magic, you are. It's just the reminder. Don't wait to shine. Today is the occasion.
You like it?
Yeah.
Right? So we,
It's-
we made a very first attempt and it came out with a nice option.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Thank you so much and big round of applause for Yashvi. Yashvi. Thank you. Okay, let's see one more. Right? There are about 200, formats like this, which really actually drive very, very high numbers. And I've taken example of two over here. Right? This was a tough one for a gifting kind of a thing. But you can see that how if you train artificial intelligence well, then you can actually create magic like this. Okay, kindly project from your side again and play this video, next video. Yes, play this video, please.
Excuse me, miss. Can I ask you a quick question? Yeah. If you were literally starving and I could cook you one meal, what would it be?
Probably would have to be something from Brazil because I really miss home right now. And I love seafood, so I would have a Brazilian moqueca with fish and shrimp.
Okay.
Illegal die. See where it soars like Deja in London.
I'm back with your moqueca. And I brought the doggy a little treat.
Oh, good. You go first.
What's your dog's name?
Lola.
Lola?
You want this? Cool.
Aw. Me not. And
Oh my god, this looks so good. Wow. This is so good. This is so good.
yeah.
Okay, has anybody seen this video? No, you have. You've seen a video like this, right? Any guesses what is the number of views that this video got only on Instagram? You want to make a guess? Okay, on Instagram, it just got 1 million views, right? But if we combine TikTok, which is not there in India, right, and YouTube, again, this video got over 20 million views, right? Now, why that video got so many views? Because there was a story, right? It had an open outdoor setting. Open spaces like parks or sidewalks make the conversation feel spontaneous and real. These places visually cue freedom. Viewers believe the stranger could walk away at any moment, which boosts authenticity, right? Genuine surprise and emotion. There is a character depth, who and why. Viral videos gave us insight into who the stranger is, why they chose that particular wish, right? I call this format as fulfill the wish of a stranger, all right? Can a video be created like this for a gifting business, right? Would anybody like to actually come as a volunteer over here and see how you can create a video just like that, which has a potential to go millions of views, right? Anybody else? Would you like to do it again? Okay. Thank you, Yashvi. Project again from here. Thank you so much for being such a sport over here.
Definitely,
Right?
sir.
Being an active player will actually help you remember a lot of things that you are actually learning from
By
here.
profession, I'm an educator.
Oh, you're an educator. Oh, fantastic. Great. So that's why you can actually understand, that I
Absolutely.
need, someone to volunteer.
Volunteer, definitely, sir.
Right? So this is a format that I call as fulfill wish of a stranger. Right? And again, let's go. Right? Would you like to actually do the same thing? Or
I also deal with business stationery.
business stationery?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it for that. Right? Can you just actually say that I XYZ statement? I help
I help all the businesses and normal people customize.
all the businesses,
I help business owners
business owners.
and families.
Okay, can we, because these are two different
Okay, John.
groups altogether.
Sure.
Can we just take one?
Families would be
Families.
better. Yeah.
I help families. And who in the family?
Moms and everybody who love to get their envelopes customized, gift tags,
Okay, so I'll
and
say
birthday decor,
I help mothers.
mothers.
Okay. Because, the more clear we are in
The
our
better
input,
prompting. Yeah, prompting generator.
right? In input, the better output that we will get.
So I help mothers
Right.
in creating customized birthday decor,
Creating
customized birthday decor for their kids
for their kids.
and celebrate it with a personalized touch.
Okay. And celebrate with a
Personalized
personalized
touch.
Okay. Good to go. Now again, it'll give you visual, hooks. And you can choose one. And the hooks are like this. If your child could, go ahead and read this.
If your child could have any one kind of birthday party theme in the world, what would it be? What's one birthday party from your childhood you still think about? If you could recreate your mom's love in one birthday moment for your kid, what would it be? If money wasn't a factor, how would you celebrate your child's next birthday? Is good one.
Okay. If money
Generally,
wasn't
yeah.
a factor, number 4.
Yeah.
Right. Now, this is a question that you can potentially, ask a stranger.
Exactly.
Right. That's the setting that is actually there. Right. So let's see, when I say 4, what happens? Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. So now, this will actually not give you the complete script. Right. The reason is that it'll actually be spontaneous.
Sure.
Right. But I
Okay.
can actually help you get an example if you want. Just go through this. But if you need an example, I will actually help you create an example.
Sure. A quick question. If money wasn't a factor, how would you celebrate your child's next birthday? Okay. Backstory prompts. Why that theme? What does your child love most about that idea? Have you ever tried something like that before? What stopped you from doing it? What would it mean to see them light up like that?
Okay. The example that has taken is she said her son's dreams of jungle explorer party, but they have never had the budget. I wanted to change that. Okay. So you actually then at the back end, he had actually gone and created the dish.
Planning.
You create, the thing and then present it to the mother. Right. And then you record the spontaneous response from the mother. Right. That is how you can actually create a visual, very, very strong communication like that.
Sure. But I really
you like to
like
try
the
this?
jewelry one. I really like the
You
previous
like the
one.
previous one.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah. So these are, some of the formats. There are over 200 formats which are, well researched, documented, and put it in a manner that anybody can actually really use them.
Definitely.
Great. Thank you so much for doing
Thanks
the
a
sport
lot.
again. Now, that is basically, the Grow with Social, where we use the power of stories to really actually create connection with the customers. Right? And the next one, which is a very, very interesting, and, those who are leaving right now, they are actually leaving the big gift that they can actually really get, is scale with systems. Right? So, scaling with systems using the power of automation and AI agents. So if you don't systemize, you will always be improvising. कि आज क्या करना है, कल क्या करना है. But if you have systems in place that run despite you are not working, then is the time you can actually scale the business, whatever business that you're in. Right? Why is it important? Because you built a beautiful brand, people are noticing, orders are coming, right? But without systems, you become the bottleneck. right? Has that happened with anybody of you? That, you have more orders that you can actually fulfill, right? Good news. But at the same time, you have become the bottleneck. So systems help you grow from a solo artist to a scalable business without losing your personal touch. What is included in this? Anybody who has, who's having India Mart account? You do have, right? Now, okay. So how do you actually use India Mart? Can I just actually ask you?
It's more for research, researching products. I have a D2C website that we are developing.
Okay.
So trending viral products is what I keep looking for in terms of pricing and MOQ. That's the only reason.
Okay. Okay. So you're not listed as a seller on India Mart, right?
No, no.
Anybody who's listed as a seller on India Mart? You are. So how do you use India Mart, sir?
So normally we are taking some buy leads for our relevant keywords.
Right.
Taking some leads and that we can follow that clients.
Okay. Does that happen that, when you call that buy lead, they say that, they are not reachable or anything like that?
Then we send a mail or by a WhatsApp message.
Okay. Do you do that manually?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what if an AI agent, right, a software program, whenever anybody actually comes and looks at your India Mart product, even if, you don't buy a lead, okay, gets an automatic email saying that, we found you actually doing this. Here is the catalog that you can, do. And this is the number that you can contact. And automatically WhatsApp messages automatically, send, so that you don't have to, put in that effort also. How would that be, sir?
What's up?
I'm saying that, you're doing the things manually,
Yes.
right? What if, these things can happen automatically? Automatically email is sent, automatically WhatsApp message is sent, and everything is customized based on what the person was really searching for. How would that be, sir?
That message every go to customer, no?
You will get the freedom. You can actually, basically, do other things and, basically not really actually worry about that the customer did not pick up the call.
Okay.
Right? It's normally a thing that, when any customer sees our message for 7 times, that's when they become the customers. Right? So when people come on India Mart or your website, anywhere, from anywhere, you can automatically, basically, trigger the things without you getting personally involved by just setting up a system once. Right? So this is, something that can happen when you actually develop the systems and utilize artificial intelligence to develop those systems. So you can, content writing and post, that becomes automatic. Graphic designing, you just give the idea and automatically, a graphic design is created. Something that we thought is basically a magic is all that you can actually do without you having to do all the time. Right? Seamless customer journey from Instagram to website to order to WhatsApp, everything automatically. Email, WhatsApp, follow messages, set up AI-powered sequences for thank you messages, delivery confirmation. You don't have to, do the things yourself that you're doing manually, because the world of AI agents will do it for you. And it'll customize every message based on what the customer was really searching for or looking for. Right? So now, how does that actually help you in terms of the social media or digital marketing? You create content calendar which is synced with festival and seasons, and they can automatically trigger off the post without you having to do that. AI generated captions ready weekly, reels edited in batch, pre-scheduled with automation tools, and the outcome will be a streamlined backend that lets you deliver delight at scale. You get time freedom, less firefighting, more forward planning, consistent customer experience even during peak seasons, right? The ability to delegate or grow your team with confidence. You're no longer guessing your way through. You're running a real brand with soul and systems. And again, I would like to give a demo, and this is a very interesting demo that is there. Let me actually just keep it ready. 10 minutes. Okay, you have seen AI generated video. Now let me show you a magic. Okay, would you like to come and, yeah. because it's a little noisy environment, this may not really actually work perfectly, right? Now, use this and use the mic, right? So, this is a page which says, Welcome to Gift Expo. Come, come, come. Do you see this page? I've kept it very, very simple, right? There is something called a start the call, right? So just do that and interact with the person who actually speaks to you. Hi, I'm UV. Welcome to the Hindu Tasting Experience. It can your ticket and a mobile number and email address where our team can reach you. Safely.
What was that? Sandeep.
Hi, Saki. Great to meet. How can I assist you with corporate gifts today? Are you looking for any specific type of gift or occasion? We have a wide range of options.
Any here?
From everyday corporate gifts,
Tattoos, Diwali hampers, and employee welcome kits.
Something for Diwali hampers.
we have ready-made gift hampers for Diwali. For example, a Diwali gift for Apple hamper includes a mix of premium dry fruits and a scented candle in a festive package. These hampers are
Okay,
customized.
I'm doing one thing. I'm stopping the sharing on the screen, right? So that you can hear it clearly.
Okay, say.
Now do it and we'll use the mic tree. Are you there?
Hi, I'm Rivi. Welcome to the Pillow Portrait Gift Ticket Space. I to your name with the mobile number, email address where our team can reach.
Okay, sorry for little technical glitch.
No problem at all. I'm glad we could get that. In ASST. To gift.
Slant where? Just my name. Sandeep.
The second is how can I assist to take up PCD?
Okay, Murphy's Law actually comes and plays the role. Let me play from this in the context.
Hi, I'm UV. Welcome to the Ubingo Corporate Gifting Experience. May I know your name and a mobile number and email address where our team can reach you?
Sandeep.
Hi, Sandy. Great to meet you. How can I assist you with the corporate gifts today? Main options to explore drinkware and mugs, office stationery and notebooks, tech gadgets and accessories, branded apparel and merchandise, customized gift sets, and I think there might be a misunderstanding. Is your name Rajesh or Sandeep?
It's Sandeep.
Thanks for clarifying, Sandeep. How can I assist you with corporate gifts today? Main options to explore drinkware and mugs, office stationery and notebooks, tech gadgets and accessories, branded apparel and merchandise. I'm not sure. Dan, would you like me to suggest some? Sir, we offer popular tech gadgets suitable for corporate gifting, and they can be customized with your logo for excellent branding opportunities. Tech gifts are very practical and always appreciated in today's digital age. Are you looking for something specific or would you like me to suggest some options? Perhaps you have a budget in mind.
Give me some options.
We have a range of options like USB flash drives, power banks, wireless chargers, electronic organizers, headphones.
Thank you, Sandeep. I hope you got the idea that even when you are not talking to the customer, you can still cater to the customer, right? With the power of the AI agent. This is an example of a tough agent to demonstrate, right? I've chosen the specifically tough one, and you can actually do it yourself also for your business, and there is no rocket science about it, right? Let me actually move to the last section, which is basically lead with the ecosystems. We will have maximum 5 more minutes, right? And what is the lead with the ecosystems? So you have actually started with clarity, build using AI, you have grown using the social, you have scaled using the systems. Now is the time to become the voice in your industry, right? And how does that happen? You grow faster when you grow together. You have everything. Now it's time to expand your influence, not just as a brand, but as a platform where others thrive with you. Ecosystems turn customers into collaborators, competitors into co-creators, and your brand into a movement, right? So you become the voice in your industry. You come on presentations like this, not like this, but internationally, you actually basically, talk on big stages and become the voice in your industry. You collaborate with creators and influencers, community building around your brand, affiliate and referral ecosystems, and new revenue channels. All this will open up when you actually basically, start working as part of the ecosystem. So what the social media leverage will be? You tag partners, cross-post with creators, co-host live, share stories from customers, and your page becomes a community, not just a catalog. And you stop being just a business, you become a brand people believe in and belong to, right? Last video, if you could just play from there. Now, I've shared enough of my stories and, enough of stories that you can actually create using social media. But if you walk this, path of 5 steps, what will become possible for you, with by walking these 5 steps is what I would like to share over here.
Manmeet Singh didn't plan to build a gifting empire. He simply saw what most miss. Behind every product, there's a person craving to feel seen. What if my gifts could become proof that people matter? That question gave birth to a mission, not just to sell mugs, kits, or souvenirs, but to celebrate people, capture moments, and create meaning. Manmeet realized he could scale without sacrificing care. He embraced AI, but only when it aligned with heart. Smart tools to personalize products with affirmations and photos, GPTs to automate emotional copy for thank you notes and onboarding kits, systems to simplify bulk orders while keeping them deeply human. Technology should amplify emotion, not replace it. Manmeet began sharing the stories behind his creations. A gratitude mug that healed a sibling bond, a farewell kit that moved an entire team to tears, a birthday box that made a mother feel special after years. He stepped out from behind the scenes to say, I don't just sell products, I help people express love, gratitude, and belonging. Manmeet built systems to multiply his mission. Without losing the magic, corporate gifting playbooks that HRs could plug into a team trained in emotional intelligence, not just production speed pre-designed kits for wellness, gratitude, and celebration. And in every SOP, he whispered one truth. Nobody is born to lose. The world just needs more reminders that they're remembered. Today, Manmeet isn't just building a business. He's building a culture of conscious celebration. He's now designing the Memory Maker Academy to train future emotional brand creators, collaborating with coaches and corporates to launch meaningful gifting lines, launching campaigns that help people pause, appreciate, and be more. The world doesn't need more noise. It needs more meaning, because when we gift with love, we give people the courage to shine.
So when you actually go through this journey of starting with clarity, building with AI, growing with social, and even up to scale with systems, what you will actually get is a gift of time. I talked about a gift, right? Because there are so many things that you are doing yourself can be done by automation using the AI agents. So my question to you really is, what will you do with the gift of time? Are there certain things that you really wanted to do? For example, going for that walk, spending time with your mother or dadima, right? Are there any things, you spend waking up early in the morning for doing some prayers? What is it that you will do with the time that you will actually save by implementing all these things? And I would like to end this with, this message from Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He has actually given us 3 principles, which is Kirat Karo, right? Which means that, do an honest work, right? You don't actually just do puja part. You actually help others in various ways. So that's Kirat Karo. And when you actually prosper really well, and in the journey of that also you Nam Japo, which means that you remember the God all the time. And when you get so much, then you want Chakko, which means share what you have actually got with others, right? This is the last message that I would like to leave you with. May all of you really actually prosper, gain the heights that you really want to actually gain in your own respective businesses, and take this legacy forward. Thank you so much. These are some ways in which you can actually contact with me. The best way, in case you want to actually reach out to me is on LinkedIn. You can actually send a direct message to me, and I'll happily, reply to whatever you have. Thank you so much. Do we have time for Q&As? I think I've already overshot the time, right? Okay. Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful audience. I hope this was a fruitful session for all of you.